Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, and it is also a collaboration video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me for today's video, and if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, and welcome to the Savvy family. I've collaborated with another YouTuber. Her name is Afifa Adil, and I stumbled upon her channel recently and I really liked her content, and I thought my subscribers would like her content as well. So I reached out to her to see if she was interested in collaborating, and she said yes. So here we are today.
And now Afifa will introduce herself.
Hello everyone at Savvy's channel. My name is Afifa Adil, and today Savvy and I have decided to collab on this video. We're both creating makeup looks based on Nikki Tutorials tag, which is Google Picks Up My Makeup Challenge. Thanks to Savvy for the amazingly fun idea. And what's even more exciting is that we're both hosting giveaways on our channels. So once you've watched Savvy take on this challenge, which I'm sure she's gonna nail it, do drop by my channel and don't forget to subscribe after watching this video as well. So yeah, I'm hoping to see you all really soon. Bye.
So I'm giving away this Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's been out for a while, but it's still a fairly new launch, and I thought that you guys would love to win this prize. It's new to my collection and I've really been enjoying it, so hopefully the winner will like it. You can head on over to Afifa's channel to find out what she's giving away as well. In order to win either of our prizes, you must subscribe to both of our channels, you must like both videos, and you must leave a positive comment on both videos. Okay guys? Stay tuned until the end and I will talk to you guys about what you have to do to enter to win. But for now, let's talk a little bit about this makeup look. For this tag, Nikki instructed us to type in the first letter and the last letter of your name and then space and the word look. Look at images in Google. The image that comes up first is the inspiration that you use for the makeup look. My real first name starts with an S and my real last name starts with a P. I actually go by my middle name that starts with a D, but I decided to follow the rules and use the S. So with the initial SP, this is the photo that came up for me. I have no idea who she is. There's a little bit of green and gray and black. It's just all sorts of colors on my lid. I have coral on my cheeks, which was the color of her handbag. So you guys can see how the look turned out. But if you want to find out how I created the look, then just continue to watch. So I'm gonna try really hard to reflect this in my look today. And I have lots of products here to help me with the look, okay? So let's get started. You guys know I'm in here eating Triscuits. To prep my face today, I'm using this one by Too Faced. Okay, we're gonna clip that out the way. Primer today, I've really been loving this one by Tatcha. It is the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So this is my first primer. So I think I want a little bit of a glow today. So I'm going to add a little bit of the POREfessional just in my T-zone area. So I also wanted to grab a few products that I don't usually use or haven't used in a while. This is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. It's in the shade 09 Tan. So I'm gonna use about a pump of that. I'm gonna add just a little bit. I notice sometimes like right here, if I don't wear enough foundation in this forehead area, it's darker right here. I'm gonna add more for that coverage. So I'm using Wet n Wild as well as the NARS. I've been enjoying this combo. Can use the foundation brush. I don't want the Clarisonic to remove the brightening effect because I also used it with foundation. There's still, you know, foundation left on this brush head. So if I use it to blend out my concealer too, it darkens my concealer. So I'm just gonna use my Sigma brush here. For powder today, I'm using the Cover FX. I haven't used it in a while. I'm gonna set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This one is in shade 20, which is light medium. And it kind of has this peachy color, and it's a lot like my Chanel powder. I'm going to sculpt my brows off camera today, and I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Precision Brow Pencil. I do have a video here on my channel reviewing this product, but I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. So, brows are done. We're going to zoom in. Okay, let's see what we can come up with for the eyes. Guys, you won't believe. I have 1, 2, 3, 6 things over here. She's a brunette. She has brown hair, so that means I can use a deeper brown. And if you look in close on the pavement, there are some stains like lighter brown. Her skin tone allows me to be able to use like some creams if I want, or highlighter, you know, all of that. I'm going to use my new Makeup Revolution palette to find me a transition shade. I almost forgot my eyeshadow primer. Oh my goodness. I'll be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Anti-Aging. I'm using my Sigma E40, and I'm just going to lightly apply this all over the lid. Okay, we're gonna go to the shade right beside it. In the crease, we're just gonna keep building that color. Put in this final shade, so I did this one, then we're gonna go to this one. And like, guys, I have on my little sparkly lights in the background, and lately I haven't had them on as much because sometimes it alters the color, you know, of my videos, and I don't always want that. Today I felt like glowing, so we have on the light today. I'm gonna put that coral shade in as my blush color, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this peachy orange color above like my transition area, just to see if I can also tie in a little bit lighter shade here. Let's see. Wow. That's very pigmented. I'm cleaning a different E40 brush, and I just want to go over everything and make sure it's all blended. So my deck of Scarlet has a pretty fudge color, so I'm going to use that to deepen my crease. Okay, here we go. I'm going to grab, this is a Waver brush. This one is the 227 brush. I'm just kind of winging it, guys, because Google picked the makeup and I'm winging it. All right, back to my E40 brush to blend that out. The one color I'm not sure about is gray, so I got to figure out how to incorporate a gray color. I got a bunch of them here in this palette that I started putting together, but I don't know, so I feel like I gotta try. So I don't know what this is gonna end up looking like, guys. And then that's kind of silver. I have these colors to work with. Let's start off with that Mr. Brownstone color, and let's just put it here in the outer corner. And I think that this is by Karity. These might be some Karity shadows I ordered a long time ago. I'll use the other gray in a minute. So I wasn't sure. I also have some glitter over here, so I'm not sure what. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. We're winging it. I'm gonna pick up the mermaid color out of this one. There's this MAC shadow that I have, and it is so pretty on. So I'm gonna put it on top of the mermaid, because it just adds this nice sparkle that I like. So let's see. They look very similar. I'm getting fallout too, so I have to dust that off. They look very similar, except this one has more sparkle. I'm gonna try to finish this eye before I start on the other one, so I can fix my mistakes. All right, I'm gonna take a smaller eyeshadow brush and go back into that silver or that lighter gray and try to put that right in the inner corner area and see how that looks. I have this today, but guys, I might save that for another day, but I do feel like I want a little more something. So I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Diamond Dog, and I'm gonna just put a little bit on my finger and see. I'm gonna just take this small clean blending brush and just soften the area here. Just soften this I feel like my green is lost. I do have on green, but it's lost. So I'm gonna pack on some mermaid on top again. She does have on black shoes, so I'm gonna put a little black in the corner here. I'm gonna use the Soft Glam palette and grab a little bit of that black. Okay, so I've lost my little space cowboy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and I may tweak this a little bit and I'll be right back. This is where we are for now. And I added some translucent powder to just touch up this area where I had fallout. I softened this area with one of the shades in my Soft Glam palette, the orange. I used orange soda right here just to kind of soften this area by my brow. And I'll link all of the shades that I used down below. I forgot I was going to use this green out of my Nubian palette, and it seems to be showing up a little more green. So this is the Nubian too, so let's just add a little bit in. Why not? I want you to be able to see the green. All right, now we're in business. I topped it with the Diamond Dog. Now I'm sure that some of the shadows that I used were just not necessary to achieve the look, but because I had not created this look before, I just didn't know what I needed, so I just kept experimenting until I got what I was looking for. So you probably won't need all of these shadows if you decided to recreate it. Hopefully you're just watching this for entertainment and not actually going to recreate it. All right, so I'm thinking that it's starting to look like my inspiration photo. Hopefully, at least some of the green is showing up a little bit, and the grays and the black. So I haven't contoured with my Anastasia palette in so long that I wanted to contour with it again. And I'm going to use my Kat Von D brush, and my favorite contour shade is this one down here. Oh, I've missed this. Okay. I'm gonna mix in one of the other shades too. I'm gonna do some mixing today. When you go back to this palette, you start thinking, now why did I stop using this? I did some serious contouring today. I do need to contour my nose real quick. Let me dust this off though. Let's contour the nose. We're gonna take the lighter shade and go down the center. So that I don't forget, we'll just buff. I'm gonna buff out the nose so we don't look like we have two lines. And let's buff away any harsh lines from the contour really quick. I'm going to smudge some shadows under my lash line, just a few of the ones that I use to create the top look. So for this look, I want to have some black. For lashes today, I'm gonna wear my House of Lashes Iconic Lights. I'm gonna use my art liner pen. I've been using liner pens a lot instead of gel liner just to save time. So I'm gonna line my lid with that and put on my lashes, and this look is gonna start to come together. I can promise you. After lashes, it always happens. All right, lashes are on. And I need to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use this Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm taking off excess, and because I'm just using this to blend my lashes in with the falsies. I need to line my waterline. I'm using the It Cosmetics No Tug Liner. What's the point of anti-aging liner? What does that mean? Now I'm going to take my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara for the lower lashes. Before I zoom you guys out, so I'm going to use one of these light shades to represent her skin color. I think I'm going to use this matte one. We'll start with this to highlight my brow bone here. I'm going to use the one here that's more sparkly to highlight here. So I'm going to take the Becca Soft Light Golden Hour powder because I always use my Lancome and I do like them both, so I'm going to use this one instead. This gives you a soft filter look. This is the Bobbi Brown Dark. See how this one looks a little more red? So I'm going to take my Tom Ford bronzer brush. We're going to use the California Blush by Benefit. All right, so this is where my coral color is going to come into play. I love this blush. And I try to go heavy on the cheeks with this one. And I'm using my Ray Ray brushes. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild highlighter. This is Mega Glow. And I'm using my Ray Ray highlighter brush. I really like this dense brush. I've been using this one more than my fan brush by Sigma. I'm going to put on my Cork lip liner. I'm going to wear Buttercup today by Gerard Cosmetics. You know I'm going to put on a lip gloss. I'm using Shimmer of Hope, also by Gerard Cosmetics. So I used the same Too Faced spray that I used at the beginning, and we're done. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, the information about what you need to do to enter to win is in the description box, but I'm going to run through a couple of things with you guys really quickly. You must be 18 years old or older. This giveaway is open internationally. In order to enter the giveaway, you need to click the raffle copter link that is going to be in the description box, and you will enter there. All of your information will be entered at raffle copter, and I will go there to select the winner randomly. The requirements are to subscribe, like, and comment on the video, as I mentioned before. There will be lots of optional ways that you can enter this giveaway as well to increase your chances of winning, and you can enter every single day. This giveaway will be open for about 2 weeks. You can check down in the description box for the dates. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you head on over to Afifa's channel and check out her video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on both of our channels if you're interested in entering this giveaway, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. Bye!